I was able to go on an elk hunt this year at the Three Forks Ranch in Colorado. As you can see here, this is beautiful elk country. It's classic aspens, rolling hills, that kind of thing. And the great thing is they have landowner tags, so I didn't have to put in for a draw. And not only is there beautiful elk country, but trappers and homesteaders have lived here for over 100 years. And the remnants of these communities like this are scattered throughout the ranch. The ranch is about 50,000 acres of beautiful elk country. Man is not the only predator. This elk succumbed to a predator or to disease. The ranch also has its modern side. This next photo shows the very comfortable elk camp where I stayed. And this is the main lodge, which is obviously much more extravagant. And there's also the new Mayo Clinic Wellness Center on the right-hand side of this image. Here is my guide Brian with my arrows in the foreground and the moon in the background, sitting over a water hole the first evening that we were out there. Yes, we got started in the dark every morning and got back in the dark at night. This shows the sunrise on the last day that I was hunting. And then also shows Brian scouting for elk. It was not all rolling hills where we were hunting. There were also some pretty rugged mountains. Here is a flavor of how much elk bugling we heard on several of the mornings. Yes, I was successful at shooting an elk with my bow. The guide said to shoot any branch antlered bull that you see, and so I shot this one. It's not the hugest animal in the world, but it's mine, and I got him with my bow. I'm very happy.